नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू रेडी इंग्लिश। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त रेखा त्रिपाठी एंड टुडे वी आर टैकलिंग समथिंग दैट मेक्स मेनी इंग्लिश लर्नर्स से यार टेंसेस ना मुश्किल है, बट गेस व्हाट, बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू विल नॉट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड टेंसेस, you will be using them with confidence. So if you're ready to level up your English, hit that like button and let's dive in. Why tenses matter? Let's start with a simple question. Why do you even need to learn tenses? Imagine I say I eat dinner. So here the question is, when I am eating, right now, yesterday, or every day. You can't tell, right? But what if I say I'm eating dinner right now, or I ate dinner yesterday, or I will eat dinner tomorrow? Now you know exactly when this dinner is happening. That's the power of tenses. They tell us when an action takes place. In Hindi, we often use words like kal, abhi, or baad mein to show time. But English relies heavily on changing the verb form itself. Master these changes and you'll sound more natural and be understood clearly. Think of tenses as your time machine in English. They help you talk about what happened in the past, what's happening now, what will happen in the future, and even more complex time relationship will explore today. English has 12 major tenses. Sounds overwhelming. Don't worry. There's simple pattern to remember them all. Let's break it down. First, we have 3 time periods: past, present, future. And for each time period, we have 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. When you combine these, you get all 12 tenses. For example, present simple shows present time plus simple form. Past continuous shows past time plus continuous form. Future perfect shows future time plus perfect form. Let me show you all 12 sentences with a simple example using the verb study. Present simple: I study English every day. Present continuous: I am studying English right now. Present perfect: I have studied English for 2 years. Present perfect continuous: I have been studying English since morning. Past simple: I studied English yesterday. Past continuous: I was studying English when you called. Past perfect: I had studied English before I moved to America. Past perfect continuous: I had been studying English for 2 hours when I took a break. Future simple: I will study English tomorrow. Future continuous: I will be studying English at 8 p.m. tonight. Future perfect: I will have studied 3 chapters by next week. Future perfect continuous: I will have been studying English for 5 years by 2026. Don't try to memorize all of these right now. In our upcoming videos, we'll tackle each tenses one by one with plenty of examples and practice. Simple versus continuous versus perfect forms. Now let's understand the 4 forms that make English tenses so expressive. First, we have the simple form. It's exactly what it sounds like. Simple. It shows regular actions, facts, habit, completed actions. I work in Delhi. Present simple: she watched a movie. Past simple: we will visit Agra next month. Future simple. Next, we have the continuous form, also called progressive. Shows actions in progress or temporary situation. I am working from home today. Present continuous: she was watching TV when I called. Past continuous: we will be visiting relatives during Diwali. Future continuous. Continuous tenses answer the question, what is happening right now? The perfect form is where many students get confused, but it's actually simple. Perfect tenses connect 2 time points. They show completed action with present result. Actions that happened before another time point. Actions that will be completed by a future time. I have worked here for 5 years. Present perfect: she had watched that movie before. Past perfect: we will have visited 10 states by December. Future perfect. Perfect tenses answer the question, what has happened? Finally, the perfect continuous form combines both ideas. It shows action that started in the past and continue to another time point and focus on duration and ongoing nature. I have been working since morning. Present perfect continuous. Finally, the perfect continuous form combines both ideas. It shows action that started in the past and continue to another time point. Focus on duration and ongoing nature. I have been working since morning. Present perfect continuous: she had been watching TV for hours. Past perfect continuous: we will have been visiting India for 2 weeks by then. Future perfect continuous. Perfect continuous tenses answer the question, how long has this been happening? Practical comparison. Let me show you how these forms change the meaning of a sentence. Imagine I want to talk about my job. I work at TCS. Simple: this is my regular job. I was working at TCS. Continuous: so this is temporary. I have worked at TCS. Perfect: I started in the past and it's matter now. I have been working at TCS. Perfect continuous: I started in the past, continue now, and the duration is important. See how the feeling changes? That's the power of tenses. Fun activity time. Let's try a quick activity. I'll show you some situations and you guess which tenses would be best. Ready? Pause the video to think about your answer and comment down below. Situation 1. 1. You want to tell your friend about your daily routine. Answer: present simple. Situation 2. You're on the phone and someone asks what you're doing. Answer: present continuous. Situation 3. You have just finished your exams and want to share the news. Answer: present perfect tense. So, how did you do? How did you perform? Comment your score below. I'm waiting for your answer. And there you have it, your introduction to tenses. Let's quick recap what we learned. Tenses tell us when an actions happen. Second, there are 12 main tenses, combination of time period and forms. Third, each form, simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, have a specific purpose. In our next video, we'll go deep into the present simple tense with lots of examples and practice exercises. So make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on. Before you go, here's a quick question for you. Which tense do you find most difficult to use? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning and remember, Ready English के साथ English मुश्किल नहीं है. See you in our next lesson. Bye.